How to use AI to earn passive income. What's up everyone, James Jernigan here, and today I want to show you this simple 4-step process that I've used to earn tens of thousands of dollars online selling other people's products, literally just sharing links to stuff people are already going to buy anyways. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with this, all of the tools you need, and everything in this short video. But before we get started, this video is sponsored by gaspricemap.com. So one of the things you need to understand about making money online is it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's in fact can be a slow process sometimes. But one of the things you can do to ensure that you're successful is you can take action right now and start taking small steps to grow your income and adding multiple streams of income. So this is one of the ways you can do that. This is gaspricemap.com. Excuse me, and it does exactly what it says. It's a map that shows you where to find the lowest prices on gas. But it not only shows you where to find the lowest gas prices, this app is going to give you cash back for buying the things you already buy, gas and food. So you can see here it gives you offers for cash back at certain restaurants, and it gives you gas back for shopping at certain gas stations, and literally all you have to do is take 30 seconds to install an app. So that's at gaspricemap.com. If you like money, if you want to get extra money every month for the things you're buying already, do yourself a favor, take the 30 seconds, sign up at gaspricemap.com. So let's get into this. What are the exact steps for using AI to earn passive income online? Well, it's actually a lot simpler than most people think. So here are the steps. Step 1 is to find a referral program. Obviously, you're going to need some kind of link that you can promote if you want to make money online, right? So obviously, this is how it works. The more clicks you get on this link, the more transactions or sales you'll make, and the more money you're going to earn. So I've made it super easy for you to find these referral programs, and I've actually just made it so that you can click one button and get access to thousands of them. So if you head to copythelist.com, you're going to click one of these green buttons. You can either copy this list directly to your Google Sheets account or download it to your device. It's up to you, but here's what that looks like. It's a spreadsheet of all of the most profitable affiliate programs I've found. A lot of these have to do with AI and marketing and different online tools. And then some of them are actually affiliate platforms themselves, where you'll find hundreds, if not thousands, of other different offers. Those are down here. And so you can pretty much find anything to promote on this: physical products, services, AI, marketing, whatever you're into, it's on this list. And like I said, I've made it super easy. All you have to do is head to copythelist.com, click one button, and now step 1 is done. You've found referral programs. So you take a few minutes, you put in your email address to sign up, and most of them are free to sign up for, so it's free. Takes you a few minutes, and that step is done. Now you know thousands of different things you can promote to make money online. So how are you going to do that? Well, here's step 2. Step 2 is to create AI videos about the offer. Now you might be thinking, I don't know anything about AI. I don't know how to create AI videos. Well, this is going to blow your mind. If you head to oneclickvids.com, you can use this tool that will let you generate AI videos literally just by clicking a button. So all you have to do is come here to where it says create video. There's a couple different types here, but you'll click this create faceless video here, and it's just going to walk you through the whole thing in a couple steps that anyone can understand. So the first thing we're going to do here is choose a theme for the video. You can see there's action movies, cartoons, different art styles, cinematic realism, comic books. So say we want to make a comic book video, we'll just click the comic book setting. Now you'll select the language, you could select the text, you can select from all the different AI voices they have in here, and if you notice this says James Jernigan, that's me. You can even clone your own voice so that AI is going to read the script for these videos with your own voice. So I think that's pretty cool. You select the video length here, so you can create short form content for social media, you can create long form content for YouTube, whatever kind of videos you want to make, you select that there. There's some advanced options here for music and different effects, but that's literally it. So now here is where you just tell it what you want the video to be about. So you could say, say you were promoting this tool itself has an affiliate program actually. So say I wanted to promote this tool, I would say a mind-blowing AI video tool that turns any sentence into an engaging video. And that's it. So that's literally it. So we can create, you can give it a custom script if you want, and so you could tell the video exactly what to say, or you can click this button that says AI Script Assistant. That's where I thought I was typing, so we'll go ahead and paste that in. A mind-blowing AI video tool that turns any sentence into an engaging video, generates script, and with the click of a button, we now have a video script for our AI generated video. So here you can see the script down here. I'll save you the time of not reading it out loud, but that's literally it. All I have to do now is click this generate video button, and the video is going to generate automatically. So you can see here it gives you the option to just create another one. So in less than a couple minutes, we're already on to creating our second AI video, and it, again, took less than a minute to create that. So if I come down here, there's a My Videos tab, and all of the AI generated videos will be here in your AI generated videos tab. And again, you can create these in any different style. I have comic book ones, I have futuristic looking cyberpunk videos. There's all different kinds that you can create, and again, it's just by clicking a button. So that knocks out step 2, create AI videos about the offer. Now, just a few minutes into this video, I've already shown you how to do that. I've shown you where to find thousands of referral programs. These are programs that are going to pay you literally just for sharing a link to other people's products. So how are we going to get people to see those links? Well, we're going to create AI videos, and again, I just showed you how to do that. You can literally have your first AI video created in less than 5 minutes using the tool at oneclickvids.com. So the next step, step 3, schedule the videos to auto publish on multiple accounts. Now maybe that's a red flag. You're thinking, whoa, hold on, James, I don't know anything about automation. I can barely even remember to log in and post. How am I going to remember to post all of these AI videos? How long is this going to take? Well, this tool at oneclickvids.com has you covered. You can see here that there is a publish tab here. So what this is going to let you do is link your social media accounts and then schedule this content to be posted whenever you want, which I think is pretty cool. You can literally just click create post and schedule these. You can see here that this video got posted to YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, and it's just one thing. You don't have to upload it multiple times or anything like that. Now what's crazy is if you see right above there, there is a bulk scheduler. So if you thought clicking a couple buttons to generate one AI video at a time was cool, you are going to love this. So the create bulk scheduler, what this will let you do is create and schedule up to 30 videos at a time. So you can see I've done a couple campaigns running right now that are posting 7 videos, but if I click create bulk scheduler, you'll see it's the exact same steps here. You're going to pick a topic for your video, so I can select a topic, AI marketing videos. Then I'm going to select the accounts I want it to post to. So here I'll select YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Now duration, how many days do we want this campaign to run? So look, if I want this to run for the next month, I literally just slide that over to 30 days. If we want to post more than once per day, we can do that. I could set this to literally post 5 videos a day for the next 30 days. And that's it. So here it's going to ask us what time we want the videos to post. So obviously you can adjust that, post the videos whenever you want. So summary, total videos, that's creating 150 videos. Look, 150 videos by clicking a button. So I'll go ahead and click next. And it looks like I don't have enough credits left to create quite that many videos, but you get the idea. So you'll set this for how many you want, and then you click next, and it's going to ask you again what style you want for the videos, what you want the videos to be about. You click a button, and in a couple minutes, you now have 30 days worth of AI generated video content ready to be scheduled and published to all of your accounts. So the final step here is to just kind of seal the deal. So obviously, in case I left it out, we're going to be putting this referral link in the description of all of these videos, so that every time one of these videos posts and somebody sees it, they're seeing the link where they can sign up for something which they're probably interested in, which is why they're watching the video in the first place. And then every time they sign up, you earn money. It really is as simple as that. So the last step here is to just take this up a notch and add another layer of automation. And step 4 is to send your referral link to your followers using bots. So you have this content getting posted every day. People are watching the videos. People are going to start following your accounts. So now what you can do is use this tool called ManyChat. This is at manychat.com, and you can set up a sequence of automated messages. So basically, anytime someone messages my page, or anytime someone engages with one of my videos or comments on my content, it's going to trigger this bot to send them a series of messages. And you can use these messages to ask them questions, to qualify people depending on what you're selling. Or if you're promoting affiliate links like I'm recommending, you can literally just send them the link automatically. So I hope you're following. I hope this makes sense. If it does, do me a favor and comment yes in below this video right now so that I know you're with me. To recap the process, we're going to find a referral program, and again, you can do that by heading to copythelist.com, clicking a button, and grabbing this list of the most profitable and most popular affiliate programs that I know about. And I've spent close to 5 years looking for these products and creating this list. So if you want to save 5 years worth of time, you want to find the best things to promote, it's right here at copythelist.com. Step 2, create the AI videos about the offer. Again, that's at oneclickvids.com. The tool is going to let you create AI videos one at a time, or you could even go crazy and bulk create and bulk schedule up to 150 AI videos at a time using oneclickvids.com. And then finally, step 4, we're going to use ManyChat to automate sending these referral links out so that we get even more eyes on the offer. So here you can see here's an example of what that looks like. I created this YouTube video a few days ago, and you can see it's got 1,000 views. Now this one is a long form video, but again, it's still faceless content, right? I'm not even in this video. It's just a screen record video like the one you're watching now. So you could do this manually, you could do this with AI, but the point is the video starts getting views. So you can see here it's got 1,000 views. It's got me 50 subscribers, but what's even cooler than that is it's got me 21 referrals and 9 customers for this AI video generation tool, earning me $118, which means this tool is now paying for itself. So again, you can sign up to use this tool at oneclickvids.com. You can even sign up to promote this tool, which means you can kind of create an AI inception scenario where you are using this tool to create videos that promote itself. So this tool can basically sell itself, earning you commissions, and all you have to do is click a few buttons to generate the content. So that's how it works. I hope you appreciated this video. If you did, be sure to take a minute and click the thumbs up button. That lets me know that you appreciate the content. It's also going to trigger the algorithm to show it to even more people that it can help. If you haven't already, click the red subscribe button down below so that you see more content like this in the future. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.